can get things started with you, Bo, and what is now, as we know, a confirmed EF-1 tornado. What do you got?
Yeah, absolutely, Ken. And I want you to take a look at the brick building behind me. Look at all the brick that's fallen off of this apartment, that front exterior wall. We wanted to get closer, but we weren't able to cross the street, and that's because this power line that crews are just now being able to start to clean up, it's covering the whole street and anyone to cross right now. Now, the people who live here told us most of the time at 6 a.m. That's when many of them woke up to wind and rain pounding on their windows. More than a few homes and apartments had windows blown out. It looks like the power pole in front of the building behind me completely snapped and took down the lines for the entire block that was left in the dark. A second apartment complex had to be evacuated, leaving more than 350 people needing a place to stay. Overall, it was a scary morning for people who live in the area.
I think it started around 5 a.m. All I know is I had the covers over my head because I thought the windows were going to blow through. My tenant ran upstairs crying into my room.
Yeah, in the morning, I think it was around 5:30 in the morning, with the torrential wind and rain, a log from the top of that tree cracked and broke apart, and carried by the heavy winds, landed right into our windows.
Now, Irving police told us that they have every department in the city working to help clean up damage and clear these power lines. But right now, they don't have a timetable for when this street will be clear and everything will be cleaned up.